to another property tour. And for today, I'll be touring in one of the latest projects by Megaworld Corporation, which is the Eastwood Global Luxury Residences, situated inside the 18.5 hectares of Eastwood City. So just to give you a brief idea, ang Eastwood Global Plaza is a 49-story building, condo building. Actually, it's a mixed use. We have offices siguro from 8th floor down to the 5th floor, and then 19th floor to the 49th floor is the residential. And usually, when Megaworld develops township, meron tayo ng mixed development or mixed community, which means that we have malls, we have commercial establishments, we have offices inside other residential buildings. If you want to live or have a property venue inside a township, so this is the best one of the best locations of Megaworld Corporation. And just to give you an idea, this is in between of Ortigas, Marikina, Antipolo. So very accessible siya sa mga locations na yun, like Pasig. And sa labas ng Eastwood City, that's already the C5. And if you go straight north, that's the Commonwealth. And then if you go down south, so diretso na to sa NLEX. So, ayun, without further ado, I think it's time to show you the types of bedroom dito sa Eastwood Global Luxury Residences. And I'll be showing you pala, just to give you a idea, I'll be showing you an executive studio, 1-bedroom unit, executive 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and a 3-bedroom. Okay, let's go. So hi, this is the first unit that I'll be touring you in Eastwood Global Luxury Residences. And coming from the lobby, we have a 6 high caliber elevators that are waiting for you, and ihatid kayo sa floor. Actually, each floor, yeah. Okay, upon entering the unit, on my right, this is your utility area and your kitchen area. So you have here your 2-burner electric stove, your overhead and under sink cabinets, and then you have here your slim range hood. And also, you have this countertop and the sink. So actually, when you purchase the property, this is already included in the sale. And then moving forward, this is the provision of your washing machine area. So you can install your washing machine here, and then siguro to modify, siguro lagyan ng cabinets para doon i-store natin yung mga Fabcon, mga laundry powder, laundry soap. So para at least ma-maximize natin yung space. And it comes with an exhaust fan. Then of course, you have a provision ng ref dito. Ang kasya lang is around 2-door refrigerator. Then in this unit, lahat standard talaga na we have this intercom so that you have visitors or if you need assistance ng maintenance, you can call the receptionist through this intercom. And then also the fiber to the home. Then this could be your dining area. Siguro good for at least maximum 4 seaters. And then pwede din siguro living space mo na to with 2 or 3-seater sofa. Kasi medyo, since it's an executive studio, limited lang yung space. And every space na dapat na galawin natin, it should be very functional. Kasi nga, you need to be wise in case na maliit yung... Well, hindi naman siya na maliit, na limited lang talaga yung space kasi it's an executive. And then we have a split-type aircon, which is an inverter. The brand is LG. And then you have a lot of windows, but only 2 are functional. So ito. Actually, malakas yung hangin dito. These are owning windows. And then this is your bedroom. Actually, malaki yung bedroom area niya. Pwedeng kasya yung maximum king size bed. And then ang maganda dito, it has a split type aircon din dito. So iba pa yung sa living area. So iba pa dito sa bedroom area. And if you're wondering, nakita nyo kung ano ba yung gagawin dito? Ano ba yung function nung door, nung wood dito? Actually, this is the sliding door. So if ever you want to have an exclusive bedroom or privacy, so you can just pull this out, then turn this into a private na bedroom. And ang maganda naman is, kahit naka-off yung aircon sa living area, at least you have your own aircon dito sa bedroom. And the unit comes with a mounted closet dito. It's a 2-door closet. And then of course, it comes with one toilet and bath. So I'll be showing you the toilet and bath. So you have your sink here, your toilet bowl, and then your shower area. So that's all for the executive studio. And now we're going, or I'll be showing you the 1-bedroom unit dito naman sa Eastwood Global Luxury Residences. So hi again. So for now, I'll be showing you the 1-bedroom unit dito sa Eastwood Global Luxury Residences. So before this unit, I showed you the executive studio and now the 1-bedroom unit. So upon entering, you have this wider kitchen compared doon sa executive studio. So you have here on my right, that's the overhead under sink cabinets. We have the electric stove and also the slim type na range hood. So standard deliverable siya. Actually, what you see in the video, that's the actual deliverable ng property. Then you have a separate sink kasi kanina sa executive, parang connected siya into an L shape. But for the 1-bedroom, bigger yung space ng kitchen. So mas malawak yung panggagalawan natin dito sa kitchen area. Then this one, this room is the utility area. So kanina kasi, sa executive, they have a door lang, pero dito you have a room for the washing area. So this could be your stock room or your utility area for your washing machine. Then as we go forward, that's the open layout of your unit. So pwede dito yung dining area. And then of course, andito yung intercom, your fiber to the home. And then siguro I suggest for a starting family of 3 or 2, maganda yung 1-bedroom unit. Kasi yung parang executive studio, parang good for couple or bachelor siya. And then this could be your dining area, siguro up to 4 or 6 seaters, kaya siya. And then this could be your living area space. So dito yung sofa, and then dito yung TV. And we have couple windows here facing the inside the Eastwood City. And then ang maganda dito, since magsa-summer na, timing lang din, we have 2 split-type aircon which are inverter. So kasama na to when you purchase the property. Then, of course, you have your common bathroom here. Maganda yung layout ng bathroom. It's rectangular, so parang maluwang siya inside. You have your sink, your bowl, and your shower area. So that's the actual deliverables ng fixtures dito sa bathroom. And then now, we are going to the bedroom. So the bedroom, it comes with a mounted closet here. And then, you have views of the C5 and Ortigas skyline, sideline na lang. Skyline on this side. So as you can see in this video, siguro, ang maganda for that space facing na Ortigas skyline, maganda ilagay dyan parang office area. Parang maganda mag-work, tapos ito yung view mo. Tiyan mo, imagine. Oh, dito ako mag-work. O, diba? Parang maganda yung view habang nag-work ka dito. And that's not all. We also have a view of the roof deck ng mga offices dito sa Eastwood City. Dito siguro magkasya yung double-sized bed. And then, ang maganda dito, it comes with a inverter type na split type aircon. So that's all for the 1-bedroom unit. So what you see in the video, that's the actual deliverable ng 1-bedroom unit. So now let's go to the executive 1-bedroom naman. So it's different from 1-bedroom. Iba din yung executive 1-bedroom unit. Let's go. Actually, same floor lang, buti na lang. Yung difference nila is bigger yung executive 1-bedroom ng 5 square meters. So upon entering the executive 1-bedroom, you have your open kitchen here. If napansin nyo, open kitchen naman kanina doon sa 1-bedroom, but they don't have this countertop na pwede mong gawin na parang lagyan mo ng bar chair na pwede mong gawing bar dito. So kanina doon, if napapansin nyo, parang dalawang ano siya dalawang countertops in between ng kitchen. So this one, meron tayong L-shaped kitchen naman. So upon entering, you have your intercom fiber to the home. Then as you move forward, this could be your dining area slash kitchen area. And then your view is I think that's the Marikina River. Yeah, facing Rizal or Antipolo. Actually, malaki yung executive one bedroom ha. Comparing doon, actually maganda yung layout ng one bedroom. Pero this feels bigger kahit na 5 square meters lang yung difference ng area. And then we have one split type aircon for this living space slash dining area. Then on this kitchen, dito yung ref provision, then standard deliverables of the electric stove, cabinets, range hood, and the countertop. Then we have here your maid's quarter or your utility area. Nautal na lang ako. So bigger siya, unlike dun sa one bedroom kanina, medyo smaller yung cut ng utility area. But for this one, pwede dito yung maid's quarter or house helper dito malocate. And it has its own toilet and bath dito. So if ever you're a starting family of 2 or 3, then may helper kayo. So this is the best unit type na dapat nyo i-purchase. Kasi meron tayong maid's quarter and bigger utility area. So now we're in the bedroom. So the bedroom, it's facing the Marikina River pa din. I believe this is facing east. Then you have actually malaki yung closet niya. So it's mounted and then it comes with a split type aircon na inverter pin. Then the bathroom here comes with the standard deliverables and fixtures. So you have your sink, toilet, and your shower area. So again, the difference lang between the one bedroom and the executive one bedroom is that the executive one bedroom is bigger than the one bedroom and mas malaki yung maid's quarter or yung utility area natin doon by the kitchen. So that's for this unit. And now let's go for a bigger one, which is the 2-bedroom unit. Two-bedroom na lang. So I'll be showing you now the 2-bedroom unit. So upon entering, you have this open kitchen here. So you have your sink, actually maganda yung layout ha. You have your countertop here. Then on this side, you have your 4-burner electric stove and your split type na range hood. Actually gusto ko yung type ng layout ng 2-bedroom natin. And then on this side by the kitchen, sorry medyo madilim lang kasi walang ilaw. You have this maid's quarter or your utility area. So if nakikita nyo, good. Pero if not, siguro schedule na lang tayo ng actual viewing. And then ang maganda dito, hindi ko na ipapakita ha. The maid's quarter has its own toilet and bath which is at the back of this door. Pero baka hindi nyo lang makita so hindi ko na ipapakita. Pero at least you have an idea na meron tayong maid's toilet and bath dito sa quarter na to. So this kitchen, this is facing the Ortigas skyline. So parang nakakagana maghugas ng pinggan dito at magluto. Kasi unobstructed view of Ortigas. And then this one, this is facing your living and dining area. So maganda yung layout na to kasi at least if you have visitors or big family kayo, while nasa kitchen yung iba and kayo nasa living area, parang hindi magdi-disconnect yung communication nyo kasi nga open yung kitchen natin plus it's facing the living and dining area. And then in this area, you have 2 split type air condition which are inverters. So actually this could be your dining area here, then siguro your living area on this side. Basta, grabe, maganda talaga yung view. Siguro pag New Year, maganda yung view dito. I love this. I love the view. And then on this side, we can take a peek ng Marikina River naman and yung bandang Pasig. So, maganda yung layout ng OHA. So, on this side naman, this is your 2-bedroom. So, this is bedroom number 1, the smaller bedroom. So, I think the size of the bed na magkakasya is double-size bed. It's facing the Ortigas skyline ulit. And then, this has a mounted closet dito sa likod. Malaki din ha. And then, we have a split-type air condition located in your second bedroom. Then this is your, sorry, hindi na ako papasok kasi madilim. This is your bathroom. Common bathroom, sorry. And then this is your master's bedroom. So dito pwedeng king size bed, maximum. Then maganda yung view kasi wala talagang obstruction dito sa bedroom. Then this bedroom comes with a split type air condition. And actually, ini-imagine ko yung view natin kasi the sun sets there kasi this is facing west. So, maganda yung, ini-imagine ko na yung paghapon na. So, imagine when you live here, hindi lang ikaw na sa prime location, but you also have a good view and the feeling of being luxurious. Kasi nga, this is Isu Global Luxury Residences. And hindi nyo pa nakita yung amenities. So we have a mini walk-in closet here. This is mounted dito sa wall. And then the master's bedroom comes with its own toilet and bath. So yan, hindi na ako papasok. So that's the standard bathroom fixtures na kasama when you purchase the property. So I think that's for the 2-bedroom. And now let's go to the biggest unit, which is the 3-bedroom unit. So hi, welcome. So I'll be showing you, this is the 3-bedroom unit dito sa Isu Global Luxury Residences. So come in, come in. So if ever you're a big family, so ito yung best na unit type, which is a 3-bedroom unit. So upon entering, you will see this. On my right, this is the open kitchen layout. So andito na yung countertop. So I suggest in case na you want to maximize the space, siguro maganda dito parang meron tayong bar chair. And then andito na yung double sink. And then you can already see the area of your kitchen. Then on my left, actually this is a standard. So we have the intercom. So if you have guests or visitors, you can contact the receptionist through the intercom. Then this one is the fiber to the home. So it is where the mesh or the routers are located para hindi messy naman yung pag-install ng internet. Di ba the usual? Nilalagay lang natin sa ilalim ng TV or sa shelf lang. So, yun yung purpose ng fiber to the home. Then, this unit comes with a 2 split-type aircon and those are inverters. So, when you purchase a property, actually, this is already inclusive na. It's a semi-furnished already. Then, the tiles, it's the usual, the ceramic tile. So, everything here you see are top of the line quality. So this could be where I'm standing. This could be, since it's an open layout, this could be your dining area. So dito pwede ilagay mo like at least 6 seaters to 8 seaters since this is a unit good for a big family. So dito pwede dito yung dining area. Then this could be your living space. So the view of our property is facing the Ortigas skyline and also the C5, as you can see through the video. Then this area, this living space, I suggest that we could purchase a siguro 4-seater sofa or an L shape, then the TV to be installed here. So nakita nyo naman sa video, and that's the main breaker. So dito kayo mag-off ng mga, if aalis kayo for vacation, so this is where your main breakers are located. Now, I'll be showing you the master's bedroom. So upon entering, on my left, this is the master's bedroom. So the master's bedroom, it could fit at least siguro until king-size bed. And it comes with a split-type aircon above our videographer. It's an inverter type also. Then this bedroom comes with a view of the Ortigas skyline and also the river on the left. So maganda siya because you have this dual view in this bedroom. Then in this bedroom, we have this actually parang mini walk-in closet siya. You have these two sliding closet here, one on this side and one on the other side. Then for the bathroom, we have a his and her sink here, a mirror, a toilet bowl, and also a bathtub. Actually, rare lang sa mga units dito sa Eastwood to have this kind of bathroom. Now, may bathtub and may shower na. And then, if mapapansin nyo, if may mga pumunta na sa inyo sa Eastwood, actually, most of the projects here are inspired by European or French design. But for the latest projects, these are mostly modern and contemporary design na. So, mas na siya, into modern na si MegaWorld pag nagde-develop dito sa Eastwood City. And I think this is the last project na dito sa Eastwood City kasi wala na ako nakitang space kung saan pwede magtayo pa ng another residential project. Ang maganda dito sa Eastwood Global kasi walang tapon yung mga views eh. Parang lahat ng units may mga magandang view talaga. So now, I'll be showing you the kitchen area naman. So in the kitchen area, we have this double sink and then the countertop. We have lots of overhead cabinets and under-sink cabinets. So hindi ka na mag-worry kung marami kang itatagong kitchen supplies. Then we have a 4-burner electric stove and an oven. Then we have this slim type na range hood na kasama na when you purchase the property. Then this could be the maid's quarter or your storage area. So you have a lot of space kahit sa staff room na siya. And the utility area will be located here. This is where your washer dryer should be installed. And then we have here the toilet and bath ng house. Sorry, wala lang ilaw. But this is the toilet and bath ng house helper natin. Okay, moving forward. Actually, gusto ko talaga yung kitchen na open lang. At least nagmumukhang, bigger yung space kaysa yung enclosed siya. So, yun yung preference ko when it comes to to a kitchen. And then this room here, along the hallway, it is where the 2 bedrooms are located. So, the second bedroom is this one. So, you have a mounted closet here. Then, this could fit siguro double-sized bed. Then, you also have the view of Ortigas skyline. And then, when you purchase, every room comes with a split-type aircon na inverter. So, kasama na yan. Then, for the third bedroom, actually, mas gusto ko yung third bedroom kasi square type siya. So, a king-size bed, pwede siya mag-fit dito if you want a bigger bed. But usually, pag condominiums and other bedrooms, okay na yung double-size bed. So, it comes with a inverter type na split-type aircon. The brand is LG. Then, the same view siya sa second bedroom, which is the Ortigas skyline and the C5. Then you have a sliding door closet mounted on your wall here. Then don't worry kasi meron naman tayong bathroom dito for the second and third bedroom. So you have your sink, toilet bowl, and your shower area dito. So I think that's all for the 3-bedroom. Actually, maganda yung space talaga pag mga big family for a 3-bedroom. So that's all for today. I showed you the Executive Studio Unit, 1-bedroom unit, Executive 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom in Eastwood Global Luxury Residences located in Eastwood City. And then of course, I just want to highlight the amenities dito sa 18th floor, and we also have the intro that's located on the 49th floor, and that's the roof deck. And ma-feel mo talaga yung luxury dito sa project na to. And also, the project is already ready for occupancy. So in case you want to rent out the unit or lease out or do Airbnb, actually I highly recommend Airbnb or daily rentals kasi mataas yung income niya. And if ever you want a family venue or family property, so this is the one of the best locations. This is one of the best projects kasi since it's the latest project, so mas upgraded yung mga amenities and features of the building. So I hope you enjoyed our tour for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on our next property tour. Again, I'm your broker Rem, and see you on our next property tour. Bye!